Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video guys, I will show you how you can add Facebook members in your group, in your Facebook group. How you can add members in your Facebook group. Really easy and it's super simple, so please follow along with me and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's dive right into the video. Tap on the application Facebook, tap on the app, tap on it, and now we're on home page, and right here you need to tap on these three lines right here, and now look for groups. Groups is between friends and marketplace. Right here, groups, tap on groups, and now as you can see here we have our own group right here, right in the top for you. Tap on it, how to browse. So this is my group, and if you want to invite members in your Facebook group, all you gotta do is just to tap on invite, and here you can look for you can search for your friends. You can search for your friends. You can use your email to invite your friends. Just super simple guys. So I hope this video helped you. It's a really short video, but see you guys in the next video. Take care.